Hey, welcome to the full moon in Capricorn. My name is Kat, and I am here with your astrological forecast for Thursday, June 24th. Let's get started by becoming balanced and aligned and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity leaving our bodies, all that darkness, all that murkiness. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light. This white light is filling our entire bodies, and then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, low vibration, and negativity right back to its source. Now, while we're in this space of this beautiful white light, we are going to say our Cancer affirmation, as above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. Let's say it together and stay in the space of white light for 5 seconds. Together. As above, so below. The entire universe is contained within me, and from that space, I grow and glow. 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I feel lighter. I don't know how I could feel more lighter because it's been so wonderful these last couple of days. Well, the party's over. Okay? Fun, frivolity. I hope we took full advantage of it. Because now, today, it's time to get back to business. So we had our little time out, but today the moon in Capricorn, full moon in Capricorn. This is, well, first of all, the new moon was on the 10th of June in Gemini. So we want to kind of look back and see what was going on, what kind of decisions we were making, what we were working on at the new moon, especially since it was a solar eclipse. And the fruition of that energy is today. So that's one way with the full moon cycle. The new moon is a new idea, creative idea, and then it grows and it comes to fruition at the full moon. And then as the moon goes back into new moon, it's a time for, it's like every cycle, it's a time for review of what we accomplished. So that's how the cycle itself works. But today, with the full moon in Capricorn, the energy is all about, like I said, getting back to business. It's time to get organized. It's time to get our details in order. It's time to get the logistics straight. It's time to take care of things. Be responsible. Sagittarians, okay, that's not so responsible. Capricorn, responsibility. So today we look at what our obligations are, what we need to take care of, so that we can have a balanced life. Now, just a little hint, if you're talking about the outer stuff, like organization, like maybe uncluttering your house or getting everything back to where it belongs, or getting on a schedule, getting back on a routine. All of this is important to help our spiritual life grow, right? I mean, if your house is a mess If you are living in a pile of clutter, how in the heck can energy get through that to get to us? So clean up our mess. This is the time. If we got anything that we've been keeping on the back burner because we don't want to deal with it, let's take care of it during these 2 days. We got 48 hours about when the moon is in Capricorn. That's our work to do today. If we have anything that we're not taking care of, that needs to be taken care of, that we're not accepting our responsibility for, or, we're procrastinating, let's get it done today. The energy is there to take care of that for us. All right, on this Thursday, what input do we have from the universe to help us be more balanced and harmonized in our lives? Now that I still feel kind of light though, I still don't feel that deep Plutonian in my closets with the skeletons feelings I had the last couple of weeks. Would you agree? I don't know. I like it. I just think it's a great energy. All right, what do we got? Yang. We pulled that card on Father's Day. That's all about take action. Get it done. Get her done. Get her done today. Loyal heart. Well, the Capricornian energy is all about that solid foundation. So who are our friends today? Who can we count on? Who maybe is counting on us? Who can we support today? Who needs support? Who are our true loyal friends? Who will help us and support us along the way? Who are they? And this card, I think, is saying maybe some of us haven't been reaching out when we should. Part of being responsible. Here and now. Wrong hand. Or is that the wrong hand? Here it is. Here and now. Ugh. Here and now. Be here now. Get your work done today and tomorrow. Be in the present. Be grateful for what we have in the next 2 days. Clean up the clutter. Get organized. Yang, the male divine energy, is all about action. Get it done. When we're looking at the Capricornian energy, who have we let down? Who do we need to make amends with? Who do we need to support that we just haven't had time for? Let's take a look at that. And let's be here now. Let's deal with what we've got on our plate right now. Not worry about the past. Not worry about the future. Spirit's got that under control. Let's stay focused on now, and let's get our work done. Just get her done on this Thursday, on this Capricorn full moon. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, everyone, life is lived from the inside out. Get her done on this Thursday. Namaste.